Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of carrot paratha. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some carrot which is grated, wheat flour, finely chopped green chilies and onion, salt, some coriander leaves, red chili powder, some ghee, turmeric powder, cumin powder and ginger garlic paste. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour in it. Then add salt as per taste. With that, cumin powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon and red chili powder as per taste. Mix them and now add water little by little to make a soft dough. My dough is ready and now I am going to grease some butter on it. After greasing it well, I am going to cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Till that time, we are going to make the stuffing. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of grated carrot in it. Then add some finely chopped onions in it. With that, some coriander leaves, some finely chopped green chili, and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to add different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, cumin powder half tablespoon, turmeric powder half tablespoon and red chili powder as per taste. Now mix them well. I mixed it properly and my stuffing is ready and now we are going to make the paratha. After 10 minutes, my dough was set and now I am going to take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now I am going to cover it with a layer of flour. Then I am going to roll it into a thick puri. I rolled it into a small puri and now I am going to add the stuffing in it. I added the stuffing and now I am going to pack it like a momos. I packed it like a momos and now I am going to cover it with a layer of flour. I covered it with a layer of flour and now we are going to roll it gently and make a paratha out of it. I rolled it into a paratha and now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and grease some butter on it. Let the butter melt. The butter has melted and now I am going to add the paratha on it. And now we are going to cook it for one side for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to grease some butter on the other side. After greasing the butter, I am going to flip it and cook the another side for 1 to 2 minutes. My paratha is cooked from both the sides and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred the paratha into this plate. So this is my delicious and tasty carrot paratha recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.